Welcome to Udibo Laser Tech channel. Laser cleaning represents an advanced technological solution that significantly outperforms traditional cleaning techniques. With its non-contact operation, it eliminates the need for additives or consumables, ensuring fast cleaning processes without damaging the substrate material. Additionally, it is environmentally sustainable. As acquisition costs decrease, laser cleaning equipment is being increasingly adopted across diverse cleaning applications. Udibo Laser offers different models of laser cleaners. The first is the portable model, equipped with a 50 to 100 watt laser. It has a cleaning rate ranging from 0.1 to 0.5 square meters per hour, making it ideal for cleaning small components. The standard model, featuring a 100 to 300 watt laser, can achieve a cleaning speed of up to 2 square meters per hour. This model is well suited for medium-sized parts or tasks where a relatively lower speed is acceptable. The high-power model, with a laser output of 500 watts or higher, is designed for efficient processing of large components and is widely used in shipyards and the automotive parts industry. The selection of the laser source is a critical factor. With multiple brands available in the market, the choice depends on specific application requirements and the end user's budget, as the laser source constitutes the major portion of the equipment cost. Our professional technical team will assist in selecting the most suitable laser source by considering parameters such as power-price ratio, beam quality, Gaussian or flat top, and the adjustability of pulse width and frequency. The cleaning head plays a vital role in determining the performance of the laser system and the final cleaning result. Udibo's cleaning heads feature several unique advantages. They incorporate power modulation at key points to prevent edge overcleaning. With dual beam sensing and signal feedback mechanisms, they ensure a more uniform cleaning effect. Additionally, they allow for easy switching between manual and robotic operation modes. As a long-term supplier in China's laser equipment industry, Udibo provides professional pre-sales consultation and comprehensive after-sales service to our customers. We are committed to building mutually beneficial partnerships and achieving long-term success together. The channel is newly established, so there may inevitably be some imperfections. If you enjoy this type of knowledge sharing, please give our channel a like. We hope you can like, follow, and share our content. Feel free to leave comments or messages with any questions, and we welcome your suggestions. We aim to provide value to you and your friends. Thank you for your support.